Hey guys, this is an RV cover that I got off Amazon. I'm going to be unboxing it today and putting it over the RV, see how it looks and how it covers everything for storage. This is the bag that it comes with. It looks pretty big. It's larger than what the box is because the cover is like compressed package, so it's very tight. After I remove it, it would probably just fit just enough to fit in this bag. So let's see what we have in the box here. Okay, so the storage bag, instruction manual, the buckle straps right here. This is the patch roll if it gets damaged or ripped. Okay, so here, these are the wheel covers. For instructions, it says to just roll it up, unroll it, and then roll it up towards the front. The front is over there. So I'm just going to flip it inside out. Make sure to install these gutter covers. That'll prevent from ripping the cover. Okay, so here it is. It is very important to measure the size of your upper and lower borders on the RV trailer. You can refer to the chart and the product listing. The correct measurements will ensure the most perfect fit. It is a little bit wrinkly right now because I just took it out of the box, as you saw, but it should straighten out with some weather. Makes everything covered, protects your roof for the season or for a long time if you're just covering it and not using it for a while. Check that out. That's plenty of runoff. It's very cool. These straps go all the way around. Covers the wheels, zippers on the sides. If you need to access your RV, you do have that access. That helps. There's a zipper on that corner, here, just in case you have a back door right here. And zippers on each corner in the back. A little bit of vent construction just to keep everything protected as well, with enough ventilation in it. Check out this material. Okay. So here it is. It's made of great quality fabric. The material up top is 7-layer. That's for extra durability and protection, and also the longevity of this cover to be used for many years. All the accessories are very handy that come with it. It makes this stretched and very nice. Stay on the trailer over the winter. Wheel covers, other covers up front and the back. Overall, a great RV trailer cover. It's waterproof, very good protection from snow, rain, UV rays to protect the color of your trailer. So it does a very good job.